Hey, what's up everyone, Noe here. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the Mac sound for your iOS device. So let's get started. The tweak that I'm going to show you guys today sounds a little something like this. Fail. Sounds something like this. And if you guys recognize it or not, it is the Mac sound from the iMac. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. You're going to want to go ahead and jump into Cydia, search for Mobilevolumesound. It's under the BigBoss repo for free, so no harm done there. All you have to do is respring your device once you're done installing the tweak, and go ahead and open your device, and be sure to unsilence your device as well. And once you're done doing that, it's pretty much installed, and there you have it, the Mac sound for your iOS device. This does work for your iPod Touch, every iPod Touch, every iPhone, and even your iPad. Anyways guys, this is pretty much it. Be sure to like my channel and subscribe. It helps a lot. Thank you very much. Until next time, this is Noe signing out.